Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. So the good news here is that we have managed to complete this exercise of analysis, comparative analysis, in which not only the views we have uh, used the same procedure which we used for the views uh, to analyze on the basis of other factors like watch time, average view duration, and estimated revenue. So these all are going to adopt the same. These are being done in the same manner as we did. So what we did is that we introduced uh, an input box. As soon as you click on here, you will be asked. How will it be asked? I will show you the code. Okay, as soon as you click on it, before doing anything, it asks what basis you want to learn. One for you want to run this program on the basis of views, then press 1. If on watch time, then press 2, 3, or 4 for earning, right? Okay, so so, so for one, you have already seen that it's working, right? And if we press 2, then it will do the same exercise and it will tell you what was the topmost watch time and when it was. What was the second most highest, that was 115 hours, that was on this date, okay? And the third highest was this. Okay, the same logic, the same code, only uh, it has shifted the focus from the view to the watch time, and watch time will be appearing in here. Okay, and also you will see that the graph is also on the base of the watch time, right? Similarly, if you change, for example, from watch time to this, this is a tricky one. I have left it for the the next phase. Let's see the earning. Okay, that's 4. So these are the earnings. Since our earning was depending on the monetizations, so throughout the year, uh, since March 2023 to the December, there was no earning, okay, and even no nothing was earned on January and February and March 2024 was my first month of earning, right? So, so these were the the amount that was earned, right? $2, $3, $4, and like this. So, uh, so this is how the earning was progressing until the December, right? So this is how um, we we have completed it. Now we will discuss how to achieve all this and how to write the codes and build up the logic and etc. Right? Some of the formulas have already been shown to you that we used 3 columns, one for the 48 hours summation, right? So that is also now. Previously, it was based on only views, so B3, B4 were total, right? Now, since it is on the basis of estimated revenue, so that's why it is now uh, based on this, right? So this is 44, that's right. So the same formula will cater everything depending upon uh, which uh, uh, you are focusing. Means what is your focus? If your focus is on the views, then this formula will uh, will do only this part of the thing. The rest will be ignored, right? If you are focusing on the second, the watch time hour, then this formula is going to take the action, right? So other things will be ignored, right? So this is some enhancement I've done. And also in the code also, if you see, if you go to the view code and in the report sheet, you would be able to see the code. And the code is straightforward. First of all, it makes sure that if there is any filter in the table data, so that is uh, cleared. And the next is it is now forcing the user to enter 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, right? It will be an input box, right? Taking your input, and then run mode will be the variable, and that in a particular specified, say, location in the table data, which on which all these formulas are dependent. AF1, right? All the formulas are working. Your run mode is, for example, for view, so it will be taking 1, and on all the views, the formulas will be dependent on the basis of watch time. So the two will come in action, and this and that. Okay. Similarly, the rest of the things are mostly the same. Only a bit of for the fine tuning has been done, and in the end, the graph is being called, and the graph, in the graph also we have used in the heading we have taken the B1 of the arrow, right? The B1 is here, right? And the B1, whatever, it reflects what is the thing which you are basing. If you are on 1, if you press 1, so this will the B1 will become views, and views will be displayed in here. You see, so views are different. If you press 2, so V1 will become the watch time, and ultimately the watch time hours will be displayed because the time title, right? So the rest of the graph is all the same. The graph code is all the same, and the data is already shown you previously, right? So this is the beautiful skill set, if you that's going to help you a lot and make the decisions, right, accordingly to figure out that which are the areas in which you need to work, right, or which are the days in which you had the best of the book, and try to make the adjustments so that this graph, which is used to go up, right? So this is the update that I have completed the third option as well. I have shown you the 3 options: option number 1, option number 2, and option number 4. Right? There's no change in that. Option number 3, I told you that it's a tricky one because it involves certain averages formula, because it's talking about average view duration, right? So we cannot sum 2 averages to come up with a summary, right? So averages have to be calculated in average manner, right? So in the with using the average functions, right? So let's click 3 and see uh, the average process, right? Average view duration. So here it comes. So it has uh, in other options, it was using sum if, right? Sum if function, but here we have used average if, in which we give the average range, in which the average to be total, the figures are available, and then the criteria range and the criteria, right? So this uh, we we make the average duration. So these are actually the seconds. These are to be converted into minutes and hours, right? So in the beginning there was it started like this in year 2023. In 2023, yeah, it went up, and it was doing very well. But as in the from January 2024, it started a bit uh, reasonably good performance, but then it gradually deteriorated, and then it is drawing. So we have to check it out, that what is the reason and what we need to do in order to improve our average view duration as well. Okay, thank you very much for watching.